Yeah, this is where it all starts. All of our products are made off of this technique. And so we've actually got it segregated inside there to vacuum just the parts that we want to vacuum.
My name is Gordon. I go by Gordo. I started Gordo Scientific in 2012 in Peoria, Illinois, but I'm currently in Pine, Colorado.
Yeah, it's a pretty raw story.
Yeah, we have a clip of Paul saying, yeah, he was like 15 in our parents' garage blowing glass every night. That's like fucking gold. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is a good man of life footage.
How was that shit?
Alright guys, I'm gonna run down to Positive Vibes. I'll see you later.
We're creating a team of American artists to manufacture American products. I want that connection with every product that I use in my life, and that's what we want to bring to our audience as well. And they can make that connection to us as a brand, and like that we're trying to bring them that pleasure and that joy and that satisfaction. I think it's good. Like I said before, like I fucking got to a point where I didn't fucking care what anyone else was making. I want to stop doing, like I just want to make what I want to make, and like at the same time I just want to do what I think is like good. Whether or not anyone cares if we're an American manufacturing company, I think it's good that we are an American manufacturing company. You know, and so that's what we need to keep doing, because people will connect with that, because we're doing what we want to do, you know? But it's kind of crazy, because all that shit's just even a new fad in the 15 fucking years I've been doing it, you know? Like, all this shit is just a fad when you've been doing it that long, you know? The shit that comes and goes, and like, it's changed so fucking much from when I was in the fucking garage. Like nobody even, nobody could have told you it would turn into something like this. You know, it is what it is. I was still having fun, that's the thing. I was doing what I wanted to do. You have to be willing to be fucking broke to do whatever you want to do. It's crazy, but it's fucking real. It's just cool to see people kind of hop on board, you know, dig what we're doing. All right, let's do this. Good to see you. How's things?
Good.
What up? So they're gonna start spinning one way, and then I put my finger on it, and it immediately on a dime.
Dude, holy shit, yo, you gotta see this, Jay.
I designed a cap that spins the pearls both ways. So if you watch, it'll start spinning one way, and I put my finger over it and immediately changes directions. As a team, as a company, we're creating content all the time. I want to look at my YouTube channel 10 years from now, and I want it to be like my journey. I want to look back on my YouTube channel and watch my journey as an artist, or as a business, or you know, all of the journeys that we are on. You know, like creating a team, which has been super challenging for us. Document all those challenges and how we overcome them over the next decade. That's a lot of like what consumes me, is like the future, and like what we need to do to stay relevant, and what we need to do to keep growing our sales so like the future is really what I'm always fucking focused on. For people who are really trying to like take this seriously and do kind of what we're trying to do, then it would be a really valuable resource for them, just to learn what mistakes we've made and how we overcame them. Because we don't have a playbook. We don't have well, we do now, luckily, have someone to be like, well, this is what we did. And I mean, I cannot emphasize how important that is, how much it's helped us.
Right.
But you can't just go out and find that sometimes, you know. Someone in your industry whose business is like larger than yours, or more farther along than yours, and they kind of like take you under their wing and start to share things with you that, you know, they probably don't tell that many people, you know. The amount of changes in the industry and just like where we are now. So that plays a role in my thinking of the next 10 years, right? So if I couldn't even have imagined how we would be now, right? The next 10 years could be even crazier for the industry, for our company. Your passion is now your livelihood, and it all connects, you know? But dude, like, there was like 10 fucking years minimum that nobody gave a fuck about what we were doing or what I was doing, you know, in the fucking garage.